Pasok na pa ako. Lakad po tayo ng 15 minutes sa work. Negative 2 ngayon. Nag-ice yung hininga ko. Blurred na rin yung phone ko. Bye. Malapit na ako sa work. Aga pa. 8:47. 9 a.m. yung work ko. 1 minute
Slide right onto Orland Street, then turn left onto Beacon Street.
Yung golf na gasolinahan, yan yung may orange na signage. Gasolinahan po yan, din yung convenience store, Half Nurse. Doon po tayo mag-work. Yan, nakuha natin ng 13 minutes walk. So, nandito na pa ako. Bye. I'm going home right now. I'm going home. I'm going home. There you go. That's our home. I'm already here. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for today. Thank you, Lord. Bye. I'm here now.